what we actually use for our karcher, okay, for water. So we are using the sink water, like you know, right now. Using the sink, so I can just make sure that it's not overflow the water in my sink. So I have to wash out the sink so it's not overflow by the water. And this is what happened because we changed our tap. Previously we used a different tap, and then we had an issue with that, and then we changed it, and now that's not fit with our water tap extension. This is the plastic one. We do not have the water tap outside to be used for you know, washing the car and stuff like that. So yeah, so we use the sink water, and it's working. It works you know, as normal, but the start, it's a little bit difficult because you have to make sure that the water is no, the pipe it's filled with water, because if it's still empty, it won't start. So the K4 karcher won't start until the pipe is filled fully with water. So it takes a while to do that. So you just have to make sure by, you know, you just have to make sure that you put that in here, and then it will, you know, it will fill the pipe. Then once it's full, and then you can just put it down like that, like so, and then you can just make sure that the sink it's not empty, and then it won't stop the karcher K4. So hopefully it helped you guys. It helps with you, for those like us who do not have the water tap outside of the house. You still can use karcher K4. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye. Give us a thumbs up, please. Thank you.